Hey family, welcome. Today we're going to talk about sag skin and some ingredients you can use at home to tighten your skin while losing weight. Skin sags begins from the cheeks, neck, arms, and other places on the body, causes by weight loss and even fat distribution, age, and pregnancy. Now I'm going to get to the step of adding the ingredients of blend aloe vera, 2 tablespoons of wheat flour, and 1 tablespoon of honey. Lemon juice, 1 teaspoon. Going to mix all ingredients together. Aloe vera is a tradition American skin remedy. As you can name it, aloe vera treated skin breakdown, age, pimple, tighten the skin, age spot, and before you add these ingredients to your skin, you need to clean your skin before add ingredients. Now I'm going to add the ingredients to my face and my neck. To get good result from these ingredients, you have to use these ingredients once a day, every day. You're going to leave ingredients in your face for 15 to 20 minutes. After 15 to 20 minutes, you're going to wash your face with warm water. After cleaning your face, you can add natural coconut oil, just a small portion. You're going to take a small portion out after clean your face off after the 15 to 20 minutes and wash your face with warm water. You're going to take a small portion of natural coconut oil. You're going to put a small portion here, 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 and here, and a small portion at your neck, and you're going to massage up, in, out, up. You can also use pure natural Vaseline at night before you go to your bed. You could use the Vaseline in your face because your face needs to moisturize. So you can use Vaseline, or you could use the natural coconut oil. Either one of them. I use both. I use the Vaseline before I go to bed, and I use the coconut oil in the morning time. So you could use either, or you could use both. And guys, if you are not comment or subscribe as yet, please go ahead and subscribe. And remember to share and like. And thank you so much for watching my videos. See you next time. Bye-bye.